How to work with a thermal imager from Testo in the maintenance of machines and mechanical components. One thing before we start the measurement, pay attention to reflections from polished metal components. These can falsify the measurement result. In case of doubt, cover the affected area with adhesive emissivity tape. Thanks to the known 0.95 emissivity of the tape, we can now examine the pipe and the overpressure valve. We will then deal with the burner. There, it is mainly the flow and return temperatures which are of interest. In production, we check important mechanical components for temperature developments, which can indicate wear. This is often found in bearings or shafts, which is why we're taking a closer look at them now. The two functions, hotspot and area measurement, simplify the analysis of the thermal images here and make it possible for you to use thermography even more efficiently. In addition to shafts and bearings, motors are also relevant for smooth production. The danger areas of plants are often blocked by a protective grille. In contrast to imagers with a pistol design, the ergonomically constructed thermal imager Testo 885 with its rotating display and handle allows you to measure conveniently behind the grille. Here, just a quick glance whether the pipe is tight, and then you'll see how Testo thermal imagers can be used for quality assurance. With this measurement object, a roll of paper, it's all about guaranteeing uniform drying. Done. Now to document the results. You can use not only the free software Testo IR Soft, but also the Testo Thermography app to create a professional report and send it to your customer.